Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Alex.
Alex. Yeah, say again. Alex.
Alex.
Alex, how old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
8? Wow. How are you today? How are you?
I'm happy.
Happy. Very good. Alex, fix your chair. Come on, forward. Move your chair here. Move the chair. Move a little. Okay, put your hands on the table and speak loudly, okay?
Yeah.
Loudly, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, so are you ready for the speaking test?
Yeah.
Speaking test. So look at the board and answer the following question. Alex, look at this. What's the beginning letter and the
Letter
sound?
A. Letter B. Letter C.
Okay, tell the sounds. Letter A, sounds up. Go.
Sound.
Letter
Letter
A.
Sound A. Letter B. Sound. Letter C. Sound. Letter D. Letter E. Letter A.
And give it a sound. Letter D.
Letter E. Sound. Letter E. Sound A. Letter F. Sound.
Good job. Okay, here, tell me the sound of letter A. Where is it? Look at that. And next. Candy. Next. Drum. Next. Frog. Great job, Alex. Good job. Next here, let's see if you can identify the picture. There are many animals, right? Okay, first, look at this. Alex, can you tell me what is it?
Apple.
Apple. What's the color of the apple? Color? What's the color?
Red.
Red. How many apples do you see?
5.
5 apples. And what's the beginning letter and the sound of apple?
Letter A. Sound A.
Good. Here, what is it?
Letter
What is it?
is a heart.
It's a car. What's the color? What's the color of the car? Orange. Say it again. Orange.
Orange.
Very good. What's the beginning letter and the sound?
Letter C. Sound.
Great job. Okay, is this a dog?
Yes.
Yes. What's the beginning letter?
Letter D.
What's the sound?
Sound.
Good job. Is this a
Fish.
fish? Yes. Say the word fish.
Fish.
Okay, what's the color of the fish?
Blue.
Blue. Okay, do you like fish? Do you like fish?
Do you like fish?
Alex, do you like fish? Yes, I do or no, I don't?
No.
No, I don't. Okay, what's the beginning letter?
Letter A.
What's the sound?
Sound.
Good. Is this a lion?
A cat.
Is this a lion? Yes or no? Is this a lion? Is this a lion? No or yes? No, it's a
Cat.
It's a cat. What's the beginning letter?
Letter C.
Sounds?
Sound.
Good job. Here we go. What is it?
A bird.
It's a bird. How many birds do you see?
No.
How many? 1, 2, 3. How many? How many birds? One bird. Very good. What's the beginning letter?
Letter B.
Good. What's the sound?
Sound.
Very good. Now, what are these? Cows. What are these? Cows.
Cat.
How many cows do you see?
2
2
cats.
cows. Do you like cows? Do you like cows? No,
No, I can't.
No, I don't. No,
I don't.
Alright, that's it. Okay, Alex, give me fist bump and say goodbye to teacher.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye.